Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Bahar and today I'm going to test the OLFA knife SAC-1 Graphic Art on different materials. So if you want to see how it works, please keep watching. I'm going to test this knife on different thicknesses of foam boards, balsa wood, corrugated cardboards, paper, mount board, acrylic sheet, and cork sheet. So let's get started. I have a separate video reviewing this knife in detail. So if you want to know more about the knife itself and how to change the blades or snap them off, please click on the card on top of the screen. I will also link it down below in the description section in case you'd like to watch it later. To start, I have snapped off the blade so it's new and very sharp. Remember that sharp blades will always improve the cutting result. We also need a cutting mat to protect our work surface. And a ruler. This is a metal ruler with cork backing. I like it a lot because not only does it become a non-slip surface, but also creates a small gap between your ruler and the material you're cutting, and that gap prevents the blade from jumping up from the ruler and potentially cutting your finger. For thicker or denser material like this 5mm balsa wood, you can use stronger knives like OLFA X design range. They also come with black blades, which are 25% sharper than normal blades. For acrylic sheets, I personally like using heavy-duty knives, like this one, because as you saw, it is a bit hard to get a nice and clean cut with the SAC-1 Graphic Arts. Overall, as you saw in the video, the SAC-1 OLFA knife is a perfect tool for most of the material I used. Although it is good to have a stronger knife for thicker material, you can still get a nice and clean cut with more effort and patience with SAC-1. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips and techniques. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!